Yesterday was bullish, and this is the first time it's attempt to break out of the previous all-time high level. 61.50, the key resistance level. We emphasize many times that it's likely to see the price to keep climbing up until it hit these targets, which is the all-time high level, before we see a meaningful correction. The only pullback since the bottom is this. This is still choppy. This is almost negligible. This is still relatively shallow. Apart from this three, the rest are grinding up. It's been testing this previous all-time high level. With decreasing of the volume suggests that the demand is not as aggressive as before. We didn't have a lot of the supply, same as the demand as well. Both the supply and demand decrease. What does it mean? It means that the supply is still less than the demand. But one thing that we need to watch out for is the sudden spike of the supply level. Means people might take profits right at the all-time high level, or some might even initiate shorting positions. So it could have a pullback to even 6,000, which is acting as a access line. Previous as a resistance level, once it's broken, it became support. A psychological level and also an access line considered as a minor support level. Let's see whether it will try to pull back, take a pause before it resume or build up the right handle and to break out from here. The demand seems like fading a little bit. It only take slight increase of the supply level to a pullback or pause that will be healthy. The short term is still up because these two candles jump up, and so far we didn't have any clue that it's going to pull back. Apart from it is testing the resistance level, and it is perfectly normal to have a pullback because there's a profit taking activity. And watch out for sudden spike of the supply or increasing of the volatility. You could do something like this, have a pullback, build up the right handle before you resume the momentum and to go out from here. That could mimic a rounding candle type pattern. So far, there's no threatening price action. Here is the news that trigger this bearish bar, but look at this demand tail. Means people bought the dip. Subsequently, this is some form of the consolidation with increasing of the volume, but we did not have a lot of the downside results. Basically, take a pause, take a breath, and charge up, break out, continue to go up. This is constructive. The bull is still in control in terms of the swing. This is still an upswing. We have a high lows throughout. And the only thing that we need to watch out for is this is an all-time high level and it's a resistance level. It's completely normal to have profit taking activity. Watch out for any form of the spike of the supply. This is still bullish, healthy at the moment.